The platform I think will be most important through 2019, and I'm going to throw a bit of a curveball here, I think it's going to be YouTube. Now, the reason I think it's going to be YouTube is because there's a lot of people already using the platform, and you can put a lot more longer form content on it. So while a platform like Instagram may be growing and they may be moving into things like IGTV, they obviously got stories on there, the viewership on IGTV is nowhere near as much as it is with YouTube already. So YouTube already has that grounding. What they need to do is just take that one step further to be able to keep accelerating and keep growing out. I think Instagram will be the next one up and will be very good at video once they figured out exactly how video will work for them. But at the moment, because they can only put short form content on there, for someone who's a content creator, YouTube is something which is a must have. It's not optional, you need to have it if you're going to be putting out content that's longer than 1 minute. So for me, YouTube's probably going to be the one. Because I think at the moment there's 9% of all small businesses are advertising on YouTube or use YouTube. And that's simply because A, they either don't understand it, B, they don't see the value in video, or C, they think that only bigger brands are on YouTube channels, which to an extent is true. But for someone who's a small business and wants to get free content out there and build a following of free content, YouTube's such an easy way to be able to do that. You can engage people with your brand, you can show your brand being used, you can give them tutorials, guidelines, different ways you can use that kind of thing. And I just think that being able to do that with a bit more engaging content than just Instagram, where you put out a post with an image, is a better way to engage with your user. Being able to walk them through and give them guidance on your service and give them free value is better than what you can potentially do with Instagram.